Short on bathroom space? Try this. Use a shower curtain rod to create an extra shelf. It's the perfect way to store toiletries or extra tissues. Struggling to hang frames? Use a fork to easily mark exactly where your nail needs to go for a perfect hang every time. Tired of your trash bag slipping? Use adhesive hooks to keep the bag securely in place. It's genius. Can't reach the outlet behind the couch? With this DIY wood stand, you can mount your power strip right to your sofa. Charging your phone just got a whole lot easier. Are the wires on your drying rack coming loose? Use zip ties to keep them secure for good. Need to hang pictures perfectly straight? Mark your points on a strip of masking tape first and hang your nails with zero stress. Perfect alignment every time. Is your shower head pressure slowing down? Tie a bag filled with white vinegar around it. Let it soak for an hour, and your shower head will be as good as new. Want perfect folds in your curtains? Use a cardboard toilet paper roll tube to space them out uniformly. Try this folding technique for your pillowcases to keep your pillows looking neat and tidy. Do things keep falling behind your laundry machine? Use a pool noodle to fill the gap. Now, nothing will drop behind it. Keep forgetting your shopping list? Put paper behind a picture frame to turn it into a reusable whiteboard. It's clean, easy, and efficient. Treat your guests by gift wrapping your toilet paper rolls. This small touch really elevates your hospitality. Need to keep your bedspread corners looking sharp? Use a ponytail holder to cinch them. Your bed will have that professional, finished look every day.